So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? More specifically, the city of Henderson? And you want to live in an upscale, secluded community away from the hustle and bustle of the city? Well, then this video is for you, because we're going to take you through the master plan community of the club at Madeira Canyon and show you some different price points of homes, although there isn't a huge variation, so you can see what may fit within your budget. And we're going to get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, we are here at the club at Madeira Canyon, nestled in the foothills of the Black Mountain Range that you can see right over here beyond my shoulder. We're just south of Anthem and Anthem Highlands in the city of Henderson. The club is a premier, guard-gated community renowned for its upscale lifestyle, luxurious amenities, and breathtaking desert landscapes. As part of the master planned Madeira Canyon neighborhood, this community offers a unique blend of tranquility, recreation opportunities, and convenient access to the vibrant Las Vegas metropolitan area. The community is also situated close to Sloan Canyon National Conservation Area, offering stunning natural surroundings and a variety of outdoor activities. The housing options within the club at Madeira Canyon are diverse, featuring 500 luxurious single-family homes designed by Del Webb, Pulte Homes, and Richmond American Homes that were built between 2006 through 2017. The architecture reflects a contemporary southwestern style, seamlessly blending with the surrounding desert landscape. Homes in the community typically range from 2,300 all the way up to over 4,800 square feet, with prices varying based on size, design, and location within the community, which you will see an example of here in a minute when we go see a few homes. The elevated position of the community at approximately 3,000 feet provides many residents with panoramic views of the Las Vegas skyline and the surrounding mountains. It's really a breathtaking setting. The centerpiece of the club is its 15,000 square foot clubhouse located right over here behind me. It serves as a social and recreational hub of the community. This clubhouse features an impressive array of amenities designed to promote an active and engaged lifestyle. You have fitness and recreation with a state-of-the-art fitness center equipped with the latest exercise machines and free weights. It provides residents with a comprehensive workout environment, and fitness classes are also provided. There's also a heated outdoor pool and spa, which are perfect for swimming laps or relaxing in the sun. And then you have tennis, pickleball, and basketball courts. And these facilities cater to both the casual players and serious enthusiasts, offering opportunities for friendly matches and organized leagues. There's also walking and biking trails throughout the community, intermixed with scenic trails, allowing residents to enjoy the natural beauty of the area. And the HOA fees for all these amenities, including the guard-gated community, is $273 per month, which is paid quarterly. Then there is social and community activities. Regularly scheduled events and activities foster a strong sense of community, from holiday celebrations to neighborhood mixers to campouts on the event lawn to organized activities for kids. There is always something happening for every age. There's also a variety of clubs and groups catered to diverse interests, including book clubs, gardening groups, and hobby classes, providing ample opportunities for residents to connect with like-minded individuals. And lastly, there's also a multi-purpose room and catering kitchen to host special occasions in. Needless to say, there is a lot to keep you busy with inside the gates of this fantastic community. Well, let's go stroll through a few parts of the neighborhood to see what is available. Our first stop is in the older, if you consider 2006 old, or the eastern part of the community. This home here listed behind me is for $1,100,000 and is 2,826 square feet, which comes out to $389 per square foot. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2006, as I just mentioned. You know, this architecturally stunning, single-story home captures all of the most desirable elements associated with luxury living and entertaining, located on an elevated home site with no rear neighbors looking into your backyard. Prior to entering the home, you have a private courtyard to unwind in, and then inside offers a spacious and open floor plan with 10-foot ceilings, a separate dining and family rooms, and designer selections throughout, including a new front door, LVP flooring, custom quartz counters, and lots of cabinets in the chef's kitchen. In addition to the 3 bedrooms, there's also an office or den, which is perfect for someone who works from home and requires that private, quiet space. The backyard features a covered patio with multiple sitting areas, including a raised deck with stunning strip, city, and mountain views, along with a sparkling pool to stay cool during those hot summer months. You know, this home really has quite a bit to offer. While the club is tucked away, providing a secluded community away from the hustle and bustle of Las Vegas, there are still plenty of entertainment opportunities and services in the area, such as local casinos, including a new Station Casinos property called Inspirada Station, due to open in late 2025. You also have access to nearby dining, shopping, drugstores, grocery stores, and other daily necessities. Within 20 minutes of here are popular Henderson recreation centers, museums, the district at Green Valley Ranch with all of the boutique shops and restaurants it offers. And of course you have the Lion Habitat Ranch, a great place to take your kids to see the animals up close and personal. Outdoor enthusiasts will also appreciate the numerous camping and hiking options, including Sloan Canyon National Conservation Area that I mentioned about earlier, as well as the 19-acre Madeira Canyon Park located just outside of the guard gates, along with Esselmont Park just down the hill from here. You know, golfers will also have easy access to nearby acclaimed golf clubs in Henderson, including the Revere Golf Club, which has 2 championship golf courses. You have the Lexington and the Concord. There's also Rio Seco Golf Club and Anthem Country Club. Other notable attractions and points of interest close by include Reed International Airport, which is only a 28-minute drive from here. You have the Las Vegas Strip, 30 minutes away, and Allegiant Stadium, which is 25 minutes away. You know, as you can tell, there's so much at your fingertips right here in the club. So let's go take a drive around this part of the community to get a feel for it. Our next stop is in the center of the community, within walking distance to the clubhouse where we were at earlier. This home here listed behind me is for $1,299,000 and it's 3,369 square feet, which comes out to $386 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2007. You know, this property is a prime example of a home that has recently undergone a contemporary renovation to the tune of $200,000, which has become pretty common in this community. This raised lot provides unobstructed strip views from the rear balconies. The interior of the home offers Italian imported marble floors, 10-foot coffered ceilings, separate living, dining, and great rooms with surround sound speakers, along with a downstairs primary bedroom that provides that single-story living experience. The gourmet kitchen includes stone quartz countertops, a large center island, 2-tone white and gray cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, including a custom built-in fridge. The backyard offers an oasis, including turf grass, well-maintained palm trees and shrubs, a soothing waterfall with recycled water, and an extended patio cover that is ideal for entertaining. This home truly is move-in ready. So let's go take a drive around to this wonderful part of the neighborhood. Our last stop in touring homes in the club is in the far southern portion of the community on a nice, quiet cul-de-sac that you can see right over here beyond my shoulder. This home over here is listed for $1,549,000 and is 4,708 square feet, which comes out to $329 per square foot, which is a really good value for this community. It has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2007. This home is one of the largest models in the community and offers the best of both worlds as it relates to views. You have the strip views here in the front of the house, which if I pan around over here, you may be able to see over here behind me. And then behind the house, you have amazing mountain views from the backyard. This expansive home provides a formal dining room, living room, and family room downstairs. There are shutters on most windows and motorized blinds on those facing the backyard. The kitchen features an oversized island with a breakfast bar, granite counters, and a built-in fridge along with other stainless steel appliances. There's also a den next to a full bath downstairs that can easily be converted to an additional bedroom if needed. The large primary suite is located upstairs with its own balcony, offering those strip views that I mentioned about earlier, along with dual walk-in closets, while all the other secondary bedrooms are a really good size. There's also an attached casita that has its own full bathroom and an exterior entrance from the backyard for a separate private living space, which, speaking of the backyard, has a covered patio, pavers, and a putting green to go along with those majestic views. This Tuscan-inspired home is really unique. With the family-friendly community the club offers, it is no surprise many families are drawn here. So the educational options are going to be important should you decide to call this community home. The Clark County schools zoned for this neighborhood includes Wallen Elementary, Del Webb Middle School, and Liberty High School, which are known for their strong academic programs and extracurricular activities. There's also an award-winning charter school close by called Pinecrest Inspirada, which is a K-8 school, and a private school called Henderson International, which is also a K-8 school located not too far away as well. So you definitely have quality choices as to what school may best suit your child's needs the best. Well, let's go take a drive around this area of the community to see what you think about it. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of the highly sought-after community of the club at Madeira Canyon. Whether you're drawn by the upscale homes, the active social scene, or the breathtaking views, the club stands out as one of the premier communities in the city of Henderson. So I hope you enjoyed it and found this video beneficial. Please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel the club checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right Henderson community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assisting getting your offer accepted on your ideal home. we don't leave any stones unturned. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even book a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Henderson. So, until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.